Introducing the EyeOn Go, your voice anywhere. When you receive the EyeOn Go speech generating device, you'll have everything needed to get started right away. That includes the EyeOn Go tablet, preloaded with powerful speech generating software designed for easy and effective communication. It also comes with the Power Grip accessory pack for enhanced device control, a ruggedized protective case built for everyday durability, a reliable power supply, a convenient neck strap for hands-free carrying, and a USB Type-C adapter. Every component is selected to support independence, durability, and ease of use, right out of the box. On the front end of the device, you'll find an anti-reflective film, a web camera, and a protective case. On the back end, you'll find not only a convenient kickstand to prop up the device, but also a handle for ease of carrying, extra speakers for enhanced amplification, a head pointer attachment point, and both USB and switch ports. Let's compare the difference in weight and battery life on the go with the Power Grip and battery pack attached versus removing it and replacing it with the blue ruggedized carrying case. The battery pack extends the battery life to a whopping 35 hours, but it also brings the weight of the device to about 3.5 pounds. Removing the battery pack brings the battery life down to 14 hours, which is still impressive, and it brings the weight of the device down to a little over 1.5 pounds. Both options have the benefit of having access to environmental controls, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Now let's focus on the communication software options and what they entail. Avaz is a symbol-based software that is known for its simplicity in editing. It's fully customizable and comes in English. Let's watch a short video of Avaz and what it looks like to edit within it. In Avaz, there are 3 levels of core words and symbols. This first level has 15. Selecting the menu, we'll head into the settings to check out the various options. Here we see pictures per screen. We have the option of choosing as few as 2 pictures on a page, all the way up to as many as 77 pictures. We'll go ahead and stick with 15 pictures for now. Let's check out the editing features. Here we have the option to add 1 new word, a new folder, or multiple words at once. As you type different words, as long as you put a comma between them, it will populate all the words at once with their respective symbols. This can save a tremendous amount of time when you're editing. Here are the words that we just added. By selecting one and then selecting change, we can change the symbol. We can also go to Web, and here we can find symbols from the web. You can also take a picture with the tablet to create your own custom symbol. You can also record your own voice or sound for the symbol as well. There's also a keyboard option. Here you'll see that there are predictive words and favorite words. The favorite words contain pre-programmed words and phrases, and these can be customized along with the categories. Next we have Verbo. Verbo is a robust communication software for both text and symbol communication. It supports both English and Spanish. EyeTech is proud of its reputation of providing unmatched customer support. A success coach will connect with you in a virtual meeting once you have received your device. We'll go over the basic use of the tablet, help customize the software, and answer any questions you may have. You can rest assured that you have EyeTech support for the life of the device. We want nothing more than for you and your loved one to succeed on this communication journey. We thank you for your time and look forward to working with you in the future.